Hello, Jefferson Multimedia. As we look for music for the homework movie, I want you to go to freesound.org. They used to have everything organized, so the music was in one place and the sound effects is in one place, but they don't do that anymore. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for some laid-back music for my homework video because it's a guy doing homework. It's nothing really psychotic, so we don't want like crazy high-tempo music that you'd use for a sports video. So I got all scientific and said, well, let's look for chill music and see what it finds, see what it gives me. And I'm just going to look through until I find something that works. The big thing I would tell you, we don't want a loop. You don't want a little short thing that we hear 5 times. I just need to find something shorter than 2 minutes that fits the vibe of my homework video. So, chill background music. Oh, from Seth Makes Sounds. Let's see if this works. I'm thinking no. This one has another quiet section and then a beat drop. No, let's keep looking. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find a piece that I like that's long enough that would work for the whole video. Don't look for a loop and use it a million times. Okay, cool. Let's assume this is the one I want. See the title right here? Click on it. I Know You Will by Chill Down-Tempo Music by Drake and Son. What if I just click Download Sound? Then what happens? It goes straight to my downloads up in the corner. Do you see it? Oh, look how it has not only a file name, but it has the name of the artist and the name of the song. You're going to need that in your credits. When your downloads are done, can we just click on the download icon? Yes, we can. And hover over the song title. You see the folder? Click on the folder. So click on that folder, and it takes you to your downloads. Can I drag it to my desktop? And then what happens if I go to the desktop? Because here it is. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to drop it in my video shortcut menu. Then guess where I'm going? As we work in Premiere Pro, there's a weirdness that I found with the program. We import all of our video and our audio through the media browser, but what I found is if you click on something once, it'll come in this box down here in the bottom. But if you double click on something, it takes over the entire screen. So if you double click on any subsection, it will take you to that thing full screen. If you want to go back to anything, look for the headings. We want to get to the media browser back in its place, right? So if we double click, the browser is down here, bottom left, and everything is as it should be. So if you need something, it looks like click it once. But if you double click, it'll take you to a strange place. So then double click on where you want to go, which is the media browser, and it will take everything back where it was. I've learned a couple of things about how to change your audio, because the audio with each shot is me directing the actor, telling him what to do, correct? You know how we made the video timeline bigger? I want you to do the same thing with your audio. Remember, A1, audio 1. You want to work within these 2 lines, right? Grab the bottom line. Make it super big, and then I want you to click, left click, move down a little bit, then go backwards. Cover all of your shots at once. And then I want you to right click and go to audio gain right here. To totally mute something, -96 is what you're looking for. If you click OK at -96, it will remove all the audio. How do you add your music? Where it goes. I'm over here in my media browser. And remember, I downloaded my song to my desktop and then I put it in the video folder on my desktop. So since I'm a C drive person, I'm going to go to C. And then if I click on video, a lot of things are there, including the song I downloaded. So I'm going to grab, I'm going to drag, and I'm going to start it in the A2 track right when the first shot begins. And I've got my slider situated in a way that I can see where the video begins. So the song should start where the cross dissolve starts. But how do we fade it out at the end? I think we have to trim it. Yeah, we're going to have to trim it and then fade it out. How do we do that? Let's find out. Alright, if I move my playhead to the end and I just select the audio track. See how nothing else is selected? The audio track is in white. All this other stuff is already done. If I just do Control K, will it split it? Yeah, it will. Right click the part you don't want. Oh, ripple delete, why not? So that stops the song right at the end. Our next move, we want to fade it out at the end. Let's figure out how to do that. In the media browser, on Effects, and then Audio Transitions, I think is what we're looking for. What a crossfade. Exponential fade. Let's take it, drag it, and drop it right at the end. Let's see if it works. If this works well, the music will start at the beginning and it'll fade out at the end. Let's take a peek. That is how to do it. So we'll work on this. We'll go slowly and figure things out as we go. Thanks a bunch. That's all I've got. See you later. Bye-bye.